Alright, I started this up just a minute ago. It's still smoking out of the tailpipe. But running really bad. Fired up on 2 or 3 cylinders max. Was able to work it up to 4 or 5. But it took quite a bit of cranking to get it to go. Something about this girl ain't happy. It's only got 3 runs to SeaTac on it. Dude, might have some kind of exhaust leak going on too. Smoking out here. Going to go take it for a test drive, and yeah. Sounds like a big, huge exhaust leak. It's about 55 degrees outside, so it's not cold. And it's only got a couple thousand miles on this engine, so. Yeah. The no check engine lights. Still stuttering. Smoke everywhere. I don't know. Anything else, Eric?
No, not gonna go.